What you're looking at is the world's largest EV ship. I want you to imagine able to export 10,000 cars in one shipment. Chinese automotive manufacturer BYD made the world's largest car carrier ship, and it made its first delivery in Brazil. I still can't believe the cars drove themselves off the ship. This ship is like a 60-story building. This is literally a floating parking garage. The first delivery showed up in Brazil, 7,000 cars. People at the port couldn't understand what they were seeing. Cars just rolling off the ship by itself. You know how crazy that is? Even though BYD has a factory in Brazil, the production wouldn't start until late of next year. So to speed up manufacturing, they decided, we're going to import some cars into the country. Go big or go home. And boy, they did it in style. Other car companies use shipping firms. BYD, they built a fleet. 8 massive mega ships. This is no longer just exporting cars. China is literally telling the world, we control the road and the sea. This is, bro, we're not even ready for what's about to happen.